Let me say a few things about Shri Narendra Kaleji. He is a distinguished serial entrepreneur with degrees from IIT Kanpur and Harvard Business School. Mr. Kale has led several successful ventures like Kale Consultants and Kale Logistics, acclaimed globally for their innovative software solutions. With a career that began at TCS and led to pioneering computer applications at the University of Pune, Mr. Kale has significantly impacted India's IT revolution. As a co-founder of the Bhau Institute of Innovation, Entrepreneurship and Leadership, he has nurtured over 250 startups. Recognized for his visionary leadership, Mr. Kale has received several accolades, including the Lifetime Achievement Award, Jeevan Gaurav Puraskar from Garze Marathi. And let me also invite our dignitaries to the stage. Honorable Shri Pramod Chaudhary ji, Honorable Padma Bhushan Shri Dr. Jeshwara Joshi ji, Honorable Padma Shri Dr. Prakash Amte ji, Honorable Dr. Mandakini Amte ji, and Honorable Shri Mahesh Bhagwat ji. Thank you so much. As we begin our session, सर्वप्रथम मी श्री नरेंद्र काळेजींना अनुरोध करतो की आपण श्री प्रमोद चौधरी यांचा सत्कार करावा. लेट्स सेलिब्रेट ऑनरेबल श्री प्रमोद चौधरी जी. Please give him a big hand. Next, let me request Shri Narendra Kaleji to felicitate Padma Bhushan Dr. Jeshwara Joshi. Next, Shri Kaleji will felicitate Honorable Padma Shri Dr. Prakash Amte ji. Please felicitate Honorable Dr. Mandakini Amte ji. Let's felicitate our next dignitary, Honorable Shri Mahesh Bhagwat ji. Thank you so much, Kale ji. Next, I will request each of our dignitaries to give away felicitations and awards to various people who have contributed to Garze Marathi. Let me ask Dr. Pramod Chaudhary first to give away awards and felicitate all these participants. Sarva Pratham, let me invite Shri Shekhar Garde ji. Not there. Shri Pramod Attarde ji. Pramod ji, please come to the stage. Pramod Attarde. Next, let me invite Shri Lalit Shinde ji to the stage. Lalit Shinde ji. As you know, Lalit Shinde ji is the co-convener of this year's Garze Marathi 2024. Shri Pramod Attardeji is on the stage. Let's felicitate Mr. Pramod Attardeji. As you know, Pramod ji is a co-convener of Garze Marathi 2024 Excellence Summit. Next, let me invite Shri Sagar Babarji. Shri Sagar Babarji, please take the stage. Okay. Let me invite Dr. Anita Kant to the stage, please. Dr. Anita Kant to the stage. Let me invite Dr. Sanjay Bhandari to the stage, please. Dr. Sanjay Bhandari. Next, let me invite Dr. Uday Khire to the stage, please. Dr. Uday Khire. And while Dr. Uday Khire is coming to the stage, please, Dr. Ajit Zawkar, get ready to be on stage. Dr. Uday Khire ji, congratulations. Let me invite Dr. Ajit Zawkar to the stage. Ajit Zawkar ji. Okay, let's move forward. Let me invite Shri Kishore Gore ji. Shri Kishore Gore. And while Mr. Gore is coming to the stage, let me also invite Milind Kanetkar ji. Shri Milind Kanetkar to the stage, please. And also next is Rupali Deshpande as well. Congratulations, Dr. Shri Kishore Gore ji. Next, let me also invite Vaishali Kulkarni to the stage and Shri Jai Kulkarni. Vaishali Kulkarni and Jai Kulkarni. Okay, let's go to Shri Rajiv Thorat ji. Shri Rajiv Thorat. Okay, let me invite Shri Rahul Visar, please, to the stage. Rahul Visar. And while Mr. Visar is getting to the stage, let's also invite Dr. Sachin Chopra and Shri Samir Karande. Congratulations, Rahul Visar. Next up we have Dr. Sachin Chopra ji, Shri Samir Karande ji. Okay, moving forward, Asavari Kalavde ji, Shri Samir Ketkar ji, Asavari Kalavde ji, Samir Ketkar ji, Sheetal Mhatre ji, Priya Koratkar ji, Shri Umesh Udgavkar ji, please come to the stage. Yeah. Shri Umesh Udgavkar ji, Shri Girish Godbole ji, Shri Vaishali Gade, Shri Sachin, Srimati Vaishali Gade, Shri Sachin Itkar. Please come to the stage, please. Congratulations, Sheetal Mhatre ji. Let me invite to the stage Vaishali Gade, Sachin Itkar, Shri Sandeep Padhe. Congratulations, Sachin Itkar. Shri Sandeep Padde ji, please come to the stage. Okay, Shri Vijay Tarle ji, Shri Anand Panwarkar ji, please take the stage. Samir Karane, congratulations. Shri Ajay Patil, Shri Anand Chauthai, please take stage, please. Dr. Prasad Pradhan, Ameya Bhandari, please take the stage. Anuva Attarde, Akshay Shinde, Shamika Kanetkar, please take stage, please.
Dr. Prasad Pradhan, Dr. Vijay Talele, Dr. Prasad Pradhan, आणि आनंद चौथाई. Thank you. Once again, thank you very much for all our chief guests. Thank you. सगळ्यात मोठी ट्रॉफी ॲक्च्युली आनंद करून ना जाते, ते कधीच घेत नाही ट्रॉफी, पण सगळ्यात मोठी ट्रॉफी ती आपण आनंद करून ना द्यायलाच पाहिजे. त्यामुळे थँक्यू आनंदजी. आणि सुनीता ताई पण त्याच्यामध्ये तेवढ्याच इक्वली समावेश आहे. Let's give standing ovation to both of them. एक 2 मिनिटं अजूनही बसून घ्या, कारण आपले युथ पवेलियन चालू होतं, पण युथ पवेलियनमध्ये ब्रेक घेऊन आलेले आपले युथ पवेलियनचे लीडर्स, तर त्यांना पण आपण एक ट्रॉफी देऊयात क्विक. समीर केतकर, त्याच्यानंतर मिलिंद कानेटकर, समीर केतकर, मिलिंद कानेटकर, रूपाली देशपांडे, मिलिंद कानेटकर, शमिका कानेटकर, अनुवा अत्तरदे, शमिका कानेटकर, अनुवा अत्तरदे, अनुवा अत्तरदे, त्याच्यानंतर अमेय भंडारी, अनुवा अत्तरदे, अमेय भंडारी, अमेय भंडारी, अमेय भंडारी, अमेय भंडारी, अक्षय शिंदे, अक्षय शिंदे, सचिन चोपड़ा, सचिन चोपड़ा, सचिन चोपड़ा, thank you for your patience, but this has to be recognized because these guys have worked very hard. Entire youth pavilion as well as a lot of other volunteer programs were run by them. Thank you all. Thank you our chief guest. Thank you so much. One more announcement, Sanjay wants to make.
Just want to thank Anand Ganuji, Lalit Shinde ji, Pramod Attarde ji, and Vijay ji. And from our university, I would like to present a memento to these 4 great people who make this event a great success.